We live on a tiny world, a fragile speck of dust floating quietly in a vast cosmic ocean. Yet most of us pass our lives without ever lifting our eyes to the sky. But today, let's look up. Let's explore cosmos, Carl Sagan's poetic journey into the universe and into the deepest parts of our own existence. Cosmos is not simply a science book, it is a love letter to the universe and to humanity. Sagan gently reminds us that everything we are, our bones, our blood, our breath, is made from the same ancient atoms that once burned in the hearts of stars. We are quite literally star stuff. The universe created us, and through us, it is beginning to understand itself. To know the universe, Sagan says, is to know who we truly are. He invites us to imagine the scale of the cosmos, billions of galaxies, each holding billions of stars, and around many of those stars, planets, perhaps with life of their own. On that unimaginable stage, Earth is not the center of anything. It is just a pale blue dot, a tiny spark floating in a cosmic night. And yet, this small planet is precious. It is the only home that humanity has ever known. Cosmos teaches us humility and gratitude. Carl Sagan believed that science is a candle in the dark. For ages, superstition, fear, and ignorance have tried to control human minds. But science gives us the courage to ask questions. Where do we come from? Why are we here? How does this vast universe work? Science is not the enemy of wonder. It is the source of real wonder. Cosmos shows us that every atom in our body was forged in the death of ancient stars. The calcium in our bones, the iron in our blood, the oxygen we breathe, all came from the stars above. We are children of the universe, connected to oceans, skies, galaxies, and to each other. This is one of the most beautiful truths science has ever revealed. But cosmos is not only about space, it is also about human beings, about how ancient civilizations began to understand the world, how curiosity grew into knowledge, how science survived wars, religion, and the long shadows of fear. Sagan warns us gently, if we are not careful, we can destroy our own future. Human progress depends on education, free thinking, reason, compassion, and protecting our fragile world. One of the most powerful moments in Cosmos comes when Sagan looks at Earth from a great distance, so far away that our planet becomes just a small pale blue dot. And he says, every king and every peasant, every young couple in love, every child, every hopeful dreamer, every human being who ever lived on that tiny dot. No religion is visible from space, no borders, no divisions, just a small world that we must learn to share. Cosmos teaches us humility, but also kindness, because if this tiny world is all we have, we must take care of each other. In the end, Cosmos leaves us with hope. The universe is enormous, but we have something rare: consciousness. We can explore, we can learn, we can choose peace, we can imagine better futures. The future of Earth depends not on gods or miracles, but on us, our compassion, our curiosity, and our courage. Cosmos is more than a book. It is an invitation to look up at the night sky, to feel connected to something vast and beautiful, to love the universe, and to love humanity. If this journey touched you, stay curious, keep wondering, and keep looking up.